watching today's tutorial. I'm going to show you how to hopefully resolve if airplane mode is the only internet option mode showing or being displayed on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. First thing I recommend doing would be to look up your make and model of computer and see if there's a physical switch or a button on your laptop, which is often the FN and the A key combination, or a function key like F2 or F12 that controls wireless radios on your device. So that's the first thing I recommend trying there. You can also tap the Windows key and the A key on your keyboard. And then if there's an option for airplane mode, you can just select it to turn it off. So that's the second thing I'd recommend taking a look at. And then this third thing would be just to restart your computer, to apply any updates that are available, and then hopefully that should be able to resolve the problem as well. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.